Here's a certified 2014 Toyota Tundra two-wheel drive. From the toughest job site to the most rugged campsite, this truck was built to handle it all. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. External memory control, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, air conditioning, automatic transmission, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Take it for a test drive today.
At Outlet for Cars, we make buying a car easy and fun. We're open 7 days a week for your convenience at 2440 Elkhorn Boulevard in Rio Linda, California.